Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, June 1. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says there are increasing signals that the Jamaican economy is bouncing back and recovering stronger. The latest signal is the recent groundbreaking for the $230 million redevelopment of the Sandals Duns River property in St. Ann. The Sandals Group will be renovating its original Duns River property by the last quarter of 2022 and constructing a new Royal Duns River Hotel by 2024. Mr. Holness says the construction aspect of the development will create 2,100 jobs, while the hotel itself will offer 1,336 new positions.
The business community is investing, and there is a sense, an expectation that there will be a significant boom and recovery after the pandemic. Wise business persons are preparing for that boom recovery.
According to Prime Minister Holness, the island's leading tourism market, the United States of America, is showing increasing buoyancy. He points out that the U.S. Travel Association has indicated that there is a huge pent-up demand for travel, with more than half of Americans set to take a trip in the next 3 months. Reports also indicate that travel volume in the U.S. has increased to 2/3 of what it was pre-COVID-19. The section of the East-West Highway between the Melrose Bypass and the Porous Interchange in Manchester will be free of cost to the public. That's the word from builders of the roadway, the National Road Operating and Constructing Company Limited, NROC.
You can get on, get off the Porous, get to Mandeville without paying. So there's no need to put an alternate road because it will be free. It will be a 4-lane road, safe highway, fully maintained for all the years.
NROC's environmental manager Errol Mortley was speaking with JIS News during a recent fruit tree planting blitz. 400 varieties of fruit trees were planted along the Melrose Bypass on World Biodiversity Day. A degree program in mining will be introduced at the University of Technology this August. The move is to provide formal training opportunities for persons as the government moves to expand the island's mining sector. Transport and Mining Minister Robert Montague says the degree program will add to training already being offered at the community college level.
Madam Speaker, we started the mining training school in order to train persons involved in the industry so as to lift the standards and transform it into a more sustainable sector.
While speaking in Parliament recently, Minister Montague called on persons who have an interest in the sector to enroll in the degree program come August. He credits the Quarries Advisory Committee and Mines and Geology Division for assisting in the realization of this vision. Still on the mining sector, government will be accelerating the land titling process for persons who were relocated to facilitate mining activities. Mining Minister Robert Montague says with developments of the bauxite industry over the years, many families were relocated, given a new house and new lands, but are still waiting on land titles.
We intend to use, for the first time, the Bauxite and Alumina Industry Special Provisions Act to speed up this land titling process by using the power of vesting orders contained in the Act. These powers, Madam Speaker, were always used to assist the companies.
According to Minister Montague, the matter is being handled by State Minister J.C. Hutchinson, who is working to ensure those families get their land titles. Ferncourt High School's Resource Center has been outfitted with technology devices, enabling students to do research and complete assignments. The center is outfitted with 48 desktop computers, chairs, desks, air conditioning units, and internet connectivity. Students also received 77 computer tablets from the alumni. While speaking at the commissioning ceremony recently, Education Minister Favour Williams said the devices would aid students in navigating the online learning environment.
Technology will remain a permanent part of the teaching and learning experience, and so these tablets and laptops being handed out today in the ceremonial handover, I'd encourage you as students to keep and care them because they will be with you for a long time. It's to help you to learn better, to learn more, to learn faster.
Minister Williams thanked the Ferncourt High alumni for its investment in the students' education and also participated in a tree planting exercise on the school compound. And finally, the Ministry of Education has received $500,000 from the Jamaica National Group for its Connect a Child initiative. During the recent handover ceremony, Portfolio Minister Favour Williams thanked Jamaica National for its generous donation and called upon more entities and individuals to donate.
We're hoping by doing this as well that we will continue to get the word out that we are still looking for donations, whether it be cash or devices, to continue to help us to have our children have a device so they can connect to the virtual world and continue their teaching and learning, and even when we get out of the pandemic.
The Connect a Child initiative is spearheaded by the Ministry of Education along with Junior Achievement Jamaica and the National Education Trust. The aim is to provide 100,000 students, including children with special needs and wards of the state, with devices to enable full participation in online teaching and learning. The project is being supported by the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.